Welcome to the Winner's Edge. This is episode 17, Friday, July 31st. And we're going to go over what happened this week and what we're looking forward to for next week. If you have any comments or anything like that, please feel free to post them down there. And just kind of a reminder, we do post a lot of free information and updates on Facebook and on TradingView. Okay, here we go, guys. This is a limit order that I just put in yesterday, and we came close to filling it, but not quite. Trigger watch, I posted that on all of our venues. You can see that, so structure is always first, right? So we have a 1, 2, 3 pullback, and this is number 6 of the leg. We only take either 4 or 6. Either one, I don't take anything beyond that. And so we had a super nice engulfing candle that broke out of it, pull back into the previous swing high that was broken to continue the uptrend. And here's the engulfing candle, and we put in our entry, limit order entry, where we felt that it should be based upon our stop loss and our profit target. Okay, now let's go over a couple of the wins that we took this week. This is very exciting with the Japanese yen. Something happened and they were very strong. Everybody else was very weak. This is the trade we got in. I think it was Monday. It was Tuesday, it looks like. We got into this one based on a triple top, 20-year highs. This was also a trigger watch that I placed. And that was on this trigger right here, guys. I put it out right before it happened. We were waiting for this bearish hook, which we got, and I got in the market on a market order right in here, and a couple days later we went straight down. So that was super nice, and that's just VMS, volume, momentum, structure. Okay, next win, Swiss franc to the yen, and again, these are ones that we were in. This one we were in for about 3 weeks. We got into it, another pullback that we saw that lined up with momentum and volume. And so we got into that. It just kind of went straight over for a while. And then yesterday it took a nice big dump and gave us our money. Dollar to the yen is the last one that I'm going to boast about here. And again, I don't know what happened in the yen, but I'm just glad that I was on the right side of it. And so here's one, that was a 1-day trade, man. We got into it here, got out of it there. So super nice. VMS, and that's all it is. Okay, now let's go over the live trades that we're currently in. And this is Australian dollar to the US dollar. Got into this one about a week ago. First part of this week, maybe Monday, right in there. And so we had a trend continuation on a bearish trend continuation. This is number 6 of the pullback. And this one happened right at confluence where we have the support or resistance right here. And then we also had a downtrend line. And we had some solid rejection. Look at all that rejection there. That's super nice. I really like that. And then the market went down nicely there for a while, and then it made this huge bump up and came up just high enough to go above this high, which tells me that I think they were targeting orders, stop losses or right. What do you think? That's what I see. So we're hanging in on this one. See what happens. Canadian dollar to the Singapore dollar is another one that we almost took profit on that one, and then it came back down. This is another one. You can look at my other videos, tell you why I took it, but we're at 21-year lows. And so euro to the Swiss franc, we are long on this one, and been going long there ever since really we got into it. And then we had a little rejection right in here, a little profit taking, I'm assuming. And now we're heading back up again. We have 2 targets on that one. Pound to the Swiss franc, we're looking for this one to go up. We're almost at our target 1 for taking profit. And I really like how it's respecting this trend line. So we've been in this one for almost a month now. And lastly, we are live in the dollar to the Swiss franc. This is another one that we almost took profit right here, and then the market gave us 2 bearish days, which we didn't care for that much. But we'll see. We still think that this one is going to be going up. It's probably going to level out down here and then turn up. But we'll see. The market will do what the market wants, right? And okay, now coming into next week, we have a trigger watch on the Australian dollar to the Swiss franc. And so that is as of today, Friday. We're looking for an engulfing candle here, but we also will need a hook on momentum. And then we'd need some strong volume in here. This is one that we will be looking at Monday morning. Let's see what else. Oh, I did a, no, I already gave you that. Australian dollar, US dollar on the ATR. And so I've got a watch on euro to the Canadian dollar here. And see if you can figure out why we're watching this, right? This was in an uptrend. I just haven't erased all this stuff yet. But now we are in a downtrend. So that's actually number 3 here. This is number 4. That is number 2. And this is number 1. See how that works? So we just had a pullback. I think that we're in a downtrend now. We just broke below the 50 EMA, but then we broke above it, right? This is the area of concern right in here. This is a strong support and resistance level. And if we're going to go into a downtrend, then we're going to have some pretty good rejection right here, which should give momentum time to either come up a little bit or at least start rolling over and give us that hook. But we need to see rejection here first. And lastly, I don't remember if I showed you this or not. I'll do it right now. This is a limit order that we placed and just placed it yesterday. Came close to getting filled, but not yet. But we're still in the same ballpark here, so I'm just going to let it go. If the market gets up into this area, I'll probably not. I'll probably cancel the limit. But as it is right now, we're going to keep it. Okay, that's all I have for you. Very exciting when the market makes some cool moves like the yen did there. That's super nice. And I appreciate your support. Pass this stuff on to anybody you think it might help. That's all I'm trying to do is give you some things to think about that might work for you. You can catch us again on Facebook, TradingView, Instagram, and hope you have a great weekend.